Oh, the sun is up and the world is awake and the birds are singing in the morning. As I rub my eyes and get out of my bed, I say hello to the morning. Good morning. Hello, everybody. Welcome to our virtual Tales and Tots program. My name is Miss Amanda. Thank you so much for joining me today from the Katy Branch Library. And we are part of the Harris County Public Library System. Today, I thought we would share a Mo Willems book with you, Piggy and Gerald. Today, we are going to be reading Pigs Make Me Sneeze. And I want to take a moment for thanking Hyperion Books for giving us permission to share this title with y'all. Let's go ahead and get started. So everybody take 3 big breaths. Ready? Number 2. On your last breath, if you are still standing, when you breathe out, I want you to quietly sit on your bottoms. Ready? Sit, sit, sit. Good job. Everybody's hands are nice and quiet in your laps. Thank you. Everybody's mouths are closed. Your ears are open. Your eyes are on me. Let's count to 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Shh. Excellent job. Let me grab our book and we are going to get ready to read Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Uh-oh, that doesn't sound good. Here is Gerald. Here comes Piggy somersaulting. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want Yes? What? A ball, a swim, a hat. Joe! Whoosh! Piggy goes flying. Says Gerald, are you okay? I do not know. Joe! Wow, Piggy goes flying. I cannot stop sneezing. Achoo! Whoa! Sneezing! Oh no! Piggy looks worse for wear. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. Piggy is flying all over the place. Elephants have powerful sneezes. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald. No, do not speak. It is too late. What is Piggy got on? She's trying to protect herself. Chew. Goodbye. Gerald. Here's a cat with a doctor's stethoscope. Is that a cat doctor? Here comes Gerald. He is awfully sad. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Ah! Achoo! Oh, great. Now cats make me sneeze too. And Gerald is just done with everything. He has fallen on the floor in a heap. The cat is thinking. He has checked his temperature. He has done a lot of doctoring. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Piggy, great news. He runs off. He's so happy that he just has a cold. I have a cold. And here is Gerald. He says, good for you. Oh no, he has the tissue box. He's not feeling too well either. Did he get his cold from Gerald? Maybe so. Good job listening to that book. Give yourself a hand. Excellent job. Thank you so much for listening to that story with me. I want to quickly call your attention to all of the awesome videos and content that are being put up virtually by all of our different Harris County Public Libraries. You can like their Facebook pages or go to our YouTube account for Harris County Public Library and see all of those awesome uploads available for you. Not just for children, but for teens and adults, book clubs, anime clubs, all kinds of fun stuff. So see what's available, and we will see y'all again real soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.